Understanding the Deposit Slip, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and important term in everyday banking: deposit slip. Whether you're opening a bank account, managing finances, or just curious, understanding this term is essential. So, let's dive in and make sense of deposit slips together. A deposit slip is a small, often rectangular piece of paper provided by banks. It's used when you want to add money to your bank account. The slip is a way to tell the bank how much money you're depositing and into which account it should go. Think of it as a written instruction to your bank. Deposit slips usually have several fields to fill out. These include account number. This is where you write the number of the account where the money should be deposited. Date, the day you are making the deposit. Name, your name, as the account holder. Amount, how much money you're depositing. This is often split into cash and checks. Signature, your signature, which authorizes the transaction. Filling out a deposit slip is straightforward. 1. Write your account number clearly. 2. Enter the date of the deposit. 3. Print your name. 4. List the amounts of cash and checks separately. Add them for the total. 5. Sign the slip to validate it. Deposit slips are crucial for a few reasons. They provide a written record of your transaction. They help the bank process your deposit correctly. They ensure accuracy in your account balances. In today's digital age, many banks offer online deposit options. You can use mobile apps or websites to deposit checks without a physical slip. However, understanding traditional deposit slips is still valuable, especially in situations where digital options aren't available. And that's a wrap on deposit slips. We hope this video has shed light on what deposit slips are, how to fill them out, and why they're important in banking. Remember, understanding these small details can make handling finances in English much easier. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.